Hello friends, welcome to Om Sir's Academy. Today we are going to learn class 9th maths chapter 2 polynomials part 6 solution of textbook exercise 2.3. Hello students, welcome to Om Sir's Academy. Now we are going to start a new topic, that is exercise 2.3 solution of textbook. See friends, 2.3 is very easy. It is based on the previous topics that we have already discussed. Take out your textbook, page number 40, exercise 2.3. See the first question now. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by first x plus 1, second x minus 1 upon 2, third x, fourth is x plus 5 and fifth is 5 plus 2x. Now this we can do it by very easiest method, that is we are only asked to find the remainder. So friends, which method we will do? Long division method or directly remainder theorem? Yes, remainder theorem will be very easy in this. So first of all, I put the polynomial over here. P of x equals to what? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. This is my polynomial. Now in remainder theorem, what we do is, if this is a this is a factor, let us assume that this is a factor of a polynomial, then what will be the 0 in this case? In the first case, what we will do is, let x plus 1 equals to 0. So what we will get? X equals to minus 1. So what it will, minus 1 will be 0 of above polynomial. Okay, so if we substitute that minus 1 in this polynomial in place of variable x, then if whatever answer we get, that is the remainder or r of x. So let us put this minus 1 over here. So what will we get? Minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Instead of x, I put a value of minus 1 over here. Now इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? माइनस 1 का क्यूब, माइनस 1 इंटू माइनस 1 इंटू माइनस 1, आंसर विल बी माइनस 1 ओनली. व्हाई? बिकॉज देयर इज एन ऑड साइन, सो माइनस साइन नहीं जाएगी. 3 टाइम्स माइनस साइन मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस ही रहेगा. प्लस 3 इंटू, यहाँ पे 2 टाइम्स माइनस 1 मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 2 बार माइनस की साइन मल्टीप्लाई होगी तो इट विल बिकम प्लस 1. माइनस 1 इंटू माइनस 1 इज प्लस 1 प्लस 3 इंटू माइनस 1 प्लस 1. तो ये आएगा माइनस 1 प्लस 3 ones are 3 प्लस इंटू माइनस, ये प्लस 3 इंटू माइनस 1 इज व्हाट? माइनस 3 प्लस 1. तो ये प्लस 3 और माइनस 3 कैंसल्ड हो जाएंगे एंड प्लस 1 और माइनस 1 भी कैंसल हो जाएगा. तो व्हाट विल बी द रिमाइंडर ओवर हियर? 0 विल बी द रिमाइंडर. सो इन द फर्स्ट केस, ये पहला सम जो था उसमें आपको रिमाइंडर फाइंड करना था. देयरफॉर रिमाइंडर r of x is equal to 0 in above polynomial. Understood friends? Now let us do the next one. I am just rubbing this part only because the above part will remain same for all the things. Second वाला सम करते हैं. सेकेंड में क्या था? x minus half. तो इसको हम क्या करते हैं? Let x minus 1 upon 2 equals to 0. ठीक है, इसको इक्वल टू 0 ले लेते हैं ये लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल को. तो हमें x की वैल्यू मिलेगी, ये माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 उस तरफ जाएगा तो x इक्वल्स टू क्या हो जाएगा? 1 अपॉन 2 हो जाएगा. तो नाउ आई सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस 1 अपॉन 2. 1 अपॉन 2 विल बी 0 ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल, ये 0 ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल हो जाएगा. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम x की जगह पे 1 अपॉन 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. तो x cube will be 1 upon 2 cube plus 3 into 1 upon 2 square plus 3 into 1 upon 2 plus 1. So what will be my answer? 1 cube is 1 upon 2 cube is 8 plus 3 into 1 square क्या हो जाएगा 1 upon 2 का square 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 1 upon 2 plus 1. So that will be 1 upon 8 plus 3 ones are 3 upon 4 plus 3 ones are 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1. Now what will be my LCM of this 4 numbers? 8, 4, 2 and 1. Greater number is 8. So LCM will be 8 ones are 8. 8 is there. 8 comes in all the tables of 4, 2 and 1. So what will be your LCM? 8 will be your LCM. Now for bringing 8 over here, what I will do? I will have to multiply this 4 with 2. That is denominator with 2. So in the same time I have to multiply the numerator with also 2. To bring 8 over here in the denominator, what I'll have to do? Multiply it by 4, denominator by 4. The numerator will also be multiplied by 4. And to bring 8 over here, what I'll have to do? Multiply this denominator with 8 and numerator with also 8. So what will be the answer? 1 upon 8 plus 3 2s are 6 upon 8 plus 3 4s are 12 upon 8 plus 1 8s are 8 upon 8. Now the LCM is same, so we can add all the numerators. 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. 26 plus 1 is 27 upon 8 is the remainder. So what is my remainder? So R of x over here is 27 upon 8. This is my answer in the second sum. Hope friends it is understood. Now we move to the third one. I'm dropping this part only. Let us do the third one. What is third? Third is only x. So if I say let this linear polynomial x is equal to 0. So what will be my 0 of a polynomial? There is no other constant related with this. Therefore 0 will be 0 of a polynomial. So in this case, p of x, if I substitute x equals to 0, what will be my remainder? 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. So what is 0 cube? 0 plus 3 into 0 square will be 0 plus 3 into 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 3 into 0 is 0 plus again 3 into 0 is 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 0 plus 1 is what? 1. So therefore my remainder R of x will be what? 1 in this case. Okay friends, now we move to the fourth sum. What is the fourth sum over here? Fourth was what? X plus pi. So let x plus pi equals to 0. Friends, remember here pi is taken as constant. So don't put the value of pi in this case. Keep it pi only. So if this pi will go that side, then क्या हो जाएगा? Plus pi उस तरफ जाएगी तो x will be minus pi. So minus pi will be 0 of a polynomial. यहाँ पे 0 of a polynomial क्या होगा? Minus pi. In this case क्या हो जाएगा? If I substitute minus pi instead of x, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Minus pi cube plus 3 into minus pi square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. तो माइनस पाई का क्यूब, तो माइनस साइन ऐसे ही रहेगी. माइनस पाई क्यूब विल रिमेन माइनस पाई क्यूब ओनली प्लस 3 into माइनस पाई का स्क्वायर, तो माइनस साइन चली जाएगी. माइनस इज मल्टीप्लाइड 2 times, so pi into pi will be pi square. So what I keep inside it is pi square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. तो आंसर जो आएगा माइनस पाई क्यूब plus 3 into pi square is 3 pi square plus into minus is minus 3 into pi is 3 pi plus 1. Now friends, यहाँ पे जो हम ऐसे स्टेज पे आ गए जहाँ पे कोई लाइक टर्म्स नहीं है. ये पाई का पावर 3 है, ये पाई का पावर 2 है, पाई का पावर 1 and this is constant term. We cannot add or subtract any of the terms in this. So this is our final answer. So therefore R of x in this case remainder will be what? That is minus pi cube plus 3 into pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Is it clear friends? So in this case my answer will be this. Hope it is understood, friends. So shall I rub this now? Coming to the last sum number, that is fifth one, 5 plus 2x. So p of x will remain as it is. Let this 5 plus 2x equals to 0. तो ये कांस्टेंट मैं उस तरफ ले जाऊंगा, 2x इधर ही रखते हैं. 2x equals to this plus 5 will move towards that side, it will become minus 5. Then x is equal to 2 is multiplied, it will move that side, then it will get divided. So 5 divided by 2 or 5 upon 2, minus 5 upon 2 is a 0. So minus 5 upon 2 will be 0 of a polynomial. Now here if I substitute this minus 5 upon 2 instead of variable x, what I will get? Minus 5 upon 2 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 the whole square plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 plus 1. So what will be the value of minus 5 cube? 5 into 5 25 into 5 125, and as there is a power is odd, so minus sign will remain as it is, so it will be minus 125 upon 2 cube. 2 into 2 4 into 2 will be 8 plus 3 into minus 5 square. Minus 5 into minus 5 will be plus 25 and 2 square. So we have to make square of numerator as well as denominator. So 2 square will be 2 into 2 will be what? 4 plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 plus 1. So what will be the answer? Minus 125 upon 8 plus 25 3 is 75 upon 4 plus into minus will become minus 3 5s are 15 upon 2 plus 1. Again friends, here these are the same numbers 8 4 2 1. What will be the LCM of this all? It will be 8 only. So for this case I will have to multiply 2 over both the numerator and denominator to get denominator as 8. Here I will have to multiply 2 4s are 8, so numerator will be also multiplied with 4. Here 8 will be multiplied on both the sides. Therefore minus 125 upon 8 plus 75 2s are 150 upon 8 minus 15 4s are 60 upon 8 plus 1 8s are 8 upon 8. Now the LCMs are equal, so taking 8 as a common LCM, what we will do is this are 2 plus sum, so 150 plus 8 will be 158, and these are two negative terms, minus 125 and minus 60 will be what? Minus 185. So minus 185. If we deduct these things, minus 185 plus, so 15 minus 8 will be what? 7. 7 minus 5 will be what? 2. So answer will be in minus, because what was there? Minus 185 plus 115. So greater one is minus, so answer will also be in minus, so it will be minus 27.8. So this is our answer. So friends, what is the R of x in this case? R of x is, remainder is minus 27 upon 8. Is it clear friends? So with this we complete question 1. Now come to question 2. Question 2 is, find the remainder. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus 8 is divided by x minus 8. This also we can do with the remainder theorem. This is my linear polynomial and this is my main polynomial. This is my p of x and this is my g of x. So I have to only find remainder. So what I will do is, ये जो linear polynomial है उसको equal to x minus a equals to क्या कर लेते हैं? 0. So I'll get the value of x. If I take this minus a to the next side, what will be the value of x? A. So a will be 0 of a polynomial. ये 0 of a polynomial होगा. तो मेरा polynomial क्या था? p of x equals to एक्स क्यूब माइनस ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 6x माइनस ए। इसकी जगह पे मुझे क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, a, तो x की जगह मैं a सब्स्टिट्यूट करूंगा, तो एक्स क्यूब विल बी ए क्यूब, ये a की जगह तो a ही रहेगा, पर ये एक्स स्क्वायर की जगह मल्टीप्लाइड बाय ए स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, प्लस 6 इंटू एक्स की जगह 6 इंटू ए, ये a भी कांस्टेंट a ऐसे ही रहेगा। तो व्हाट विल बी माय आंसर नाउ, ए क्यूब माइनस a रेज टू 1 इंटू a रेज टू स्क्वायर, दोनों बेस सेम है, base is same and powers are different and there is multiplication between these two terms, so power will be added, so 1 plus 2 will be what, 3, that is a cube, a into a square is a cube plus 6 into a is 6a minus a। तो ये जो है a क्यूब माइनस a क्यूब तो कैंसल्ड हो गया, ये दोनों लाइक टर्म्स है, a पीछे आ रहा है, तो 6a minus 1a, this is 1a, तो 6a minus 1a is what, 5a is the remainder, so therefore r of x, that is remainder, is what, 5a when this polynomial is divided by x minus a। Is it clear, friends? Now we move to the last question of this exercise. The last question of this exercise is question number 3. What is question number 3? Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x square, 3x cube plus 7x, of 3x cube plus 7x। तो ये ऐसे ही हमने एक एग्जाम्पल किया था, चेक वेदर इट इज अ मल्टीपल, चेक वेदर इट इज अ फैक्टर, ये सीधा डायरेक्टली हम कैसे कर सकते हैं, बाय यूजिंग द रिमाइंडर थ्योरम। सो दिस इज द पॉलिनोमियल, लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल, एंड दिस इज द p of x। So what we will do is I'll equal this linear polynomial, let 7 plus 3x equals to क्या कर लेते हैं 0, this 7 I'll take to the other side, that is 3x equals to minus 7 हो जाएगा, तो x की वैल्यू क्या होगी, -7/3, तो -7/3 will be 0 of a polynomial, ठीक है। तो इन दिस केस क्या हो जाएगा, मेरा p of x क्या था, what was my p of x was 3x cube plus 7x, okay, and if I substitute this value inside instead of variable x, and if I get the answer 0, then we can say that this is a factor or multiple of this polynomial. But if I don't get answer 0, then what it will be, it will be not be a factor of this polynomial. So let us do this, -7/3 is equal to 3 into -7/3 the whole cube plus 7 into -7/3। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा नाउ, 3 into -7 raised to cube, 7 7s are 49, 7s are 343, so ये आंसर आएगा 343, 9 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3 का क्यूब क्या हो जाएगा 27, प्लस इंटू माइनस विल बी माइनस, 7 7s are क्या हो जाएगा 49/3। तो if I multiply this with 3, instead of that I can deduct this, 3 1s are 3 9s are, तो क्या रहेगा -343/9 minus 49/3। If I make the LCM same, तो यहाँ पे 3 मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, तो what it will be, -343/9 minus 49 into 3, 9 3s are क्या हो जाएगा 27, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 क्या हो जाएगा 14, तो 147, तो -147/9। तो ये दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो दोनों माइनस साइन है, तो व्हाट इट विल बी 10 9 4, तो आंसर विल बी व्हाट -490/9। तो ये मेरा आंसर है, बट दिस आंसर इज इट इक्वल टू 0 फ्रेंड्स, क्या ये आंसर 0 से इक्वल आ रहा है, यस और नो? So no. तो what it will be? Is it a factor of this polynomial? No. तो यहाँ पे ऐसा लिख सकते हैं, it is not equal to 0. Therefore, Therefore 7 plus 3x is not a factor of above polynomial. ये फाइनल आंसर में लिखना है कि ये जो है ये फैक्टर नहीं है of above polynomial. So friends, is it clear now? So with this we end the exercise 2.3. Thank you. Thank you friends for watching this video. To view our next part 7, please click on like and subscribe button below. Thank you.